What's going on, guys? It's Brendan here at Clay Kayak Fishing. Today we're going to be showing you how to do a Texas rig. So the Texas rig is one of the most commonly used rigs in the game. Super easy, super effective. If you call yourself a fisherman, you need to know this rig, so let's check it out. So we've got my line here. I got a peg tied on here. Just keeps the bullet weight from going anywhere. I've got a bullet weight. When you use a Texas rig, you usually use a bullet weight. Tied on like so with the big part down, skinny part up. I've got my extra wide gap hook, bass hook tied on. So for this demonstration, we're going to be using the Bandito bug by Guggen Baits, one of the best baits in the game. So what you're going to do first is you're going to start at the top of the bait, the very top of the tip. You're going to take the hook, insert it in the top like so, come down to about where the barb starts and bring it out the side like that. So it should look like that in the beginning. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to push the bait all the way to the top. When I say all the way to the top, I mean past the hook. Like you'll actually bring it over the hook a little bit to where it's touching that bullet weight there, as you can see. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to flip it around. You're going to come down a little bit, bend it, push it in like so. And there's a Texas rig. So as you can see, the bullet weight's going to be touching the head here. That just makes it look like to the fish that's part of the bait. You can see here, the hook kind of comes out of the bottom of the bait here a little bit. So it should look straight, and the water it's going to look like it's going to be swimming to the fish. So yeah, that's a Texas rig.